First you have to trap the hawk, and they are hooded for several hours to calm down. Then you tether them to your glove, take off the hood and hold on until they will sit on the glove. They may not eat for days. Orion did on day 1. Very awkwardly, day 2. Looking much more relaxed. Day 3, completely calm. We spent a lot of time like this. We've also walked around the house and got him comfortable being carried. Then you move the food lower until he's eating off the glove. We did this for several days. He didn't want to bend down and expose the back of his head. In the wild, this would mean death. He didn't trust me enough yet, so we had a standoff. He won't starve with food inches away. Once he's eating off the glove, you move it back and get him to jump. We also did this for days. He would stretch out as much as possible to avoid having to jump. It was pretty hilarious. Finally, persistence paid off and he took his first leap of faith. Then we just increased the distance. Follow and share. In part 2, we move training outside.
This
Keep it 010001, bitch. I don't really
Cody.